Hey guys, welcome to the Python programming tutorial by Uplatz. So let's continue with the NumPy module tutorial. Today we will be doing with indexing and slicing. Okay, NumPy indexing and slicing. So what is indexing and slicing? You know it already, right? So the contents of the array object can be accessed and modified by indexing and slicing, correct? Just like Python's inbuilt objects. So we use the same concepts of indexing and slicing to access and modify the array object. So we will see the access, the basic slicing and the advanced slicing in this and the next lecture. Okay. So the basic slicing is an extension of Python's concept of slicing to n dimensions, correct? So we slice the object into n dimensions using the slicing operator. But here in NumPy, a Python object called slice is constructed by giving the three values, that is start, stop and step parameters to the built-in slice function. We will be using the slice function in a while. So the slice function is first used by giving three parameters, that is start, stop and step parameters. And this slice object is passed to the array to extract the part of it. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So first create an array using the np.arrange function. We are creating an array in the range 0 to 9. Okay, then we are using the slice function now. What are we doing here? This slice is a class, okay, and SLI is an object of this slice class. So it accepts three parameters there. You can see the start, stop and the step values. So we are creating a slice object, then we are passing this to the array. Okay, so SLI, it's 292. So what does it mean? It starts from the number 2. Okay, it starts from the number 2. It is not related to array now. It is an independent function. We have not yet related it to the array. So see the slice function, it has started from 2, it has gone till 9 and the step is 2. That is what we have printed it. Now we will pass it to the array. Okay, this is how we pass it. Array of slice. So print a of s, right? So let's execute. So we got this 2468. What does it mean? The array has started with 2, okay, and till 9 we have to slice it, right? Till 9 we have to slice it, and the step value is 2. So from 2 it becomes, the next value is 4, then again plus 2, that is 6, then again plus 2, 8. So this is the slicing operator using the slice object. Okay, so this is a very simple example. The slice will tell you the beginning, ending and the step values to the array. We can directly give the slicing to the array itself. So let's see how. So we are creating an array in the range 0 to 15. Next, let's give the slicing directly. So b equals We are slicing it now. The array of, you can give us beginning value, ending value, and the step value. So I'm slicing it from 2 to 9. The step value is 2. Then print b now. So it will have 2, 4, 6, 8 again. Yes. So but till since the array has the range till 15, you can increase the stop value. You can use it till 15, not an issue. Hope that was clear, the previous example. So this is slicing, the basic slicing. So we are creating the array directly without using the range function. Okay. So it has the numbers till 20, 0 to 20. Okay. Now we can use like this, 2 to 20, the step value is 2. Yes, we got it, like starting from 2, the 20 is not included. Okay. You know this. Then the step value becomes 3 now. So starting from 2, the step value is 3. Between every two numbers, the difference is 3. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. And the next number would be 20, but 20 is not included. Now, if we don't give the step value, it will be by 1, increment by 1, right? Like this. Again, the last value, that is 20, is not included. So this is a wrong syntax. Yes, because we should give colon. So this is clear. Hope this is clear. Let's continue. Let's do the next example. Import NumPy as np array equals np dot arrange 20. Then b equals a of 10. Okay, I'm accessing a single value using the index and assigning it to the variable b. Let's print the value of b. So it will be the index number 10. Okay, that is ARR. So the index number 10, the value is 10 itself. Okay. You can also print the array and check what's the index value 10 in that. Now it will be in the range 4 to 20. Now let's see what's the index number 10. Now it should be 14. Yes, like this. Yes, so I think it's clear to you. Let's see the next example. The same statement, import and array equals in the range 20. Now we have learned slicing, right? So let's do some slicing. Print Okay, the start and stop value are 2 and 20, and print array of, if I give the start value and not give the last value, so it starts from the third index. Okay, yes, and covers all the numbers till 20, 20 not included. Okay, so this is start from the index 3. Then if I don't give the beginning index, it starts from index 0, that is 2 itself. Yes, so from 2 till the index 15. Okay, so this is all about one dimension array. What about a two dimension array? Okay, how to slice a two dimension array? So let's do the next example. So we are creating a two dimension array here, correct? It has 3 rows, you can see. So how to slice a two dimension array? It has 3 rows and 3 columns. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's print it. We will slice a two dimension array by using the slicing syntax. So how do we do this? So first print the array as it is. It will be in a two dimension format. Next, we can use the slicing now. You can see it's in a two dimension format, 3 rows and 3 columns. So to slice it, I will write print array of. So what I write at the left hand will be the row number, and what I write the right hand side will be the column number. So I have just kept it empty. That's why it's printing the entire array. Now I have given the row number as 1, means it will start from row number 1. Okay, and the right side, it's not the column number, it's the ending number for the row. Okay, so 1 means the array starts from the row number 1, that means the second row, and it will cover everything. Okay, thereafter, so it covers row number 1 and row number 2. Let's see. Yes, you can see it has covered row number 1 and row number 2. Then, since we have only few rows, let me increase the number of rows. So now it has 5 rows. So let me run the same example, same program, or let me change the rows. It starts from row number 2 and shows all the rows thereafter. Okay, row number 2 is 789. So you can see the output as 789, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then if I want only row number 1 and 2, I will write 1 colon 3. So now 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9 will be printed. can see the output. Okay. So this was the basic indexing and slicing in the NumPy. Okay. There was nothing advanced in this. The advanced slicing and indexing we will see in the next lecture. All right. Hope this was clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can mail us. All right. Thank you.